Hello, my name is Jake with Classic Trim Parts, and today I will show you how to replace the rear view mirror housing on R129 SL-Class vehicles. And this will go for 1997 to 2002 vehicles. They had the HomeLink and the Auto Dim, so there's these holes. There should be 3 large holes and a small one on the bottom of the mirror. When it's in the vehicle, it's on the bottom. And then there's this other slot on the back. And we have this on our website, classictrimparts.com, in 7 different OEM colors. We've got black, blue, gray, Orient gray, burgundy, mushroom, and Java. And the first step to this will be to remove it from the vehicle. So take your rear view mirror by the base, and if you see this spring here, this will have to come detached. So to do that, you'll have to pull pretty hard, either to the left or right, and this spring should become detached. And then just disconnect the HomeLink connector and bring your mirror inside. So then, all you have to do is take a small screwdriver or just something thin to pry this seam open. So just put it in there and kind of open it up. Just be careful not to push it too far in. You don't want to damage anything on the inside. And then once you kind of open it a bit, you should be able to just pull it open like that. And then when it comes detached, you can set the mirror down with this HomeLink receiver out of the frame, and then you can take these buttons for the HomeLink and set that aside. We will need that for later. And then you can see these 2 clips here, these gold clips. They're secured in by these 4 tabs. All you have to do to remove those clips is to push down and kind of pull at the frame a bit, and you should be able to get them out from these tabs. So push and pull the frame, and I'll show you a close-up of this. You can see there's a little notch here, and that's what secures it into these tabs. So set that aside again and remove the other one. I like to do it from this side because it's a little easier to access. Just like that. Okay. And then your mirror should come right out. All you have to do is kind of maneuver it around these tabs. You could pull at the frame if you need to, but just get it out from there and pull it up. So then I will take the new one. We'll have to put the mirror back in the frame. So again, just pull at the frame and get the mirror down in there. Like that. And then you can position the base here, this black centerpiece, where it was, so you can get the clips back in. So just push those clips back in, same way you took them out, like that. Alright, so that will secure your mirror in place. And then take the rear housing. We're going to put the buttons in. And then with this green piece on the right side, just replace the receiver. It should fit pretty snug. And if you want to test the buttons, they all should click, and that means it is in properly. And then just take the mirror and flip it around and place it on top. And then snap in the top part first, this seam here. And then if you flip it upside down, you can use force, but it might not go. What I find to work is if you push down on this frame with the mirror, it will sometimes be easier to snap in, like that. And then just make sure everything, the top and bottom, are in properly. And then all you'll have to do is, again, reconnect the HomeLink connector and put your mirror back in the vehicle. So again, you could buy these at classictrimparts.com, the 2-piece set here, in 7 different OEM colors for the R129 SL. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check it out, and thank you for watching.